hair, our before and after, and you will see this. There is no reason why you women shouldn't be able to have gorgeous, glamorous hair like this, especially if you're going out. Now, if you know you're walking down the street, is the man going to look at a flathead or is he going to look at something like this?
Absolutely right here.
Is this gorgeous? Is that gorgeous?
Speaking of a flathead. All right, let's do it.
Oh, she's going to let me do it. Okay, watch this. Give me the spritz real quick.
I want to remind you there's something very special. That's why this is a Today Special value. Listen to this. Just for the shampoo and the conditioner, the ordinary size, the 8 ounces on QVC.com, plus the hairspray. For those 3 pieces on .com right now, $43.62. But for $3.62 less, we're doubling the shampoo and the conditioner, giving you that same hairspray, but giving you 2 brand new products in the scrunch spray and in the mousse. And they are full size, plus the brush for less money.
How can you go wrong with that? Ladies, take a look at this. Now, tell me if that's not sexy hair. Is that gorgeous?
You are happening, honey.
Problem
Look
solution.
at that.
Why do you need this? We'll come right over here and we're going to show you real quick.
And you know what? We're also going to go to the phones because I know someone's dying to speak with you.
Now look at the and volumizing shampoo first. Remember, a small amount